Welcome traders to yet another mentorship success video. Today I have been joined with Mr. Kalpesh Doshi. He's from Rajkot and he's a chartered accountant. So welcome to the video, Kalpesh bhai.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so this particular video is not going to be just about the information that Kalpesh bhai has generated a profit of rupees 17 lakh rupees in last 5 months. So first of all, congratulations on that, Kalpesh bhai.
Thank you, sir.
And what we'll be doing in this video is we'll be sharing few nuggets of how Kalpesh bhai transformed himself from being a new trader in the market. Like he's involved in the stock market since 2000, but he was extremely new to the concept of technical analysis. And from that starting point, how he developed himself into a professional trader. All right. So my first question to you, Mr. Kalpesh bhai, will be that what was your experience in the financial markets prior to doing this particular workshop?
Vishal bhai, I started this journey in the year 2000 when I started my small investment.
Okay.
And in the initial stage, before joining this course, I was just going through certain news or certain tips from the friends or my own analysis, whatever little I could do. And I used to invest. But that was what I started with in the year 2000 before joining this course.
Okay. How was your experience? Did you see any success in those tips?
Yeah, because like during those days, I used to invest in particular script, and then I used to forget that. And slowly, I used to invest whatever savings I could do. And there was some of the scripts gave very good return, very handsome return.
All right.
However, I could also see that some of the scripts I lost huge amount of money. Like in some of the shares, I invested at the rate of 1,000 rupees. And today it is still there in my portfolio, and it is just having a price of only 1 rupee. So still I have made a huge losses also on those.
Correct. So this is, my friends, this is a very useful information because only a information that someone has made 17 lakhs in 5 months, that is all right. But one very important information Kalpesh bhai has shared with us with his experience, that if you try to trade or invest in the markets without proper knowledge, what will happen is you might have few fruitful days where you will make money with someone else's tips, or maybe your own information which you are collecting through various media or something. But at the end, what will happen, you will find some loss making trades in other stocks, and overall if you see your trading portfolio at the end of the year, it will not be in a credit, it will always be in a debit. All right. So Kalpesh bhai, once that phase of stock market was over, then we both came in contact, I think through a common WhatsApp group. And I think in 2018 you did one of my workshops on positional trading in cash market, and I think 1 year back again you did a workshop on short-term trading in futures and options. All right. So what is the change that you have seen, the immediate change which you saw after doing these workshops?
Yes, Vishal bhai, I still remember when I joined somewhere in April 2018. Those were the initial days, and those course was mainly for the positional trade. And then it was a 4-day course, 2 weekends course. And then once I joined the course, I found that there are so many things which I have to learn from this course. Like it is just which parameters which were initially explained. It was very small things of part of this course, and there were so many things which were required to be learned after the joining this course. And since then, I have been learning a lot of things, and I'm finding a very different person in me. I feel that I'm really transformed from the day when I joined the course, and I have developed myself as a person who is now a pro trader kind of a person.
That's
who
awesome.
can be a pro trader. Still, there are a lot of things to learn.
So you are gaining confidence. Obviously, when the results come in, obviously when you make such a huge amount in your trading portfolio, it will boost your confidence. But once you start understanding immediately after doing the workshop that these were the mistakes which I was committing prior to doing the workshop, that I was not exiting my trades, because generally, my friends, the exit of the trade is more important than the entry. So possibly same thing would have been realized by you, I think, after doing the workshop.
Yes, Vishal bhai, before having any technical knowledge, I was not sure that what important I understand is that what is the entry and exit point.
Correct.
Like normally, whenever I used to go for any tips, the person used to say that the ये 100 रुपये का 200 रुपये हो जाएगा. So it was like always, it was always a fancy for any trader or any investor. But nobody used to say that what will be my stops.
Stop
Now
loss, correct.
the stop loss will be what, and then that was only in your control, and that is what I have learned from this course.
And the funny part is, Kalpesh bhai, sorry to interrupt you, but the funny part is like when we ask them why to buy this, so they will say that वो लोग ले रहे हैं इसके लिए हम लोग ले, वो लोग वो कौन है कौन वो, so that is still a mystery for me.
Correct.
I understand. Now, Kalpesh bhai, my another question will be, what is the time frame of your general trades? Like if you are initiating a trade, positional trade in cash market, then what is your time frame for that trade? And also share with us that what is the time frame of your trade if you're doing shorter term trade in options?
For positional trade, I normally do for 1 month to 3 months time period. And for short term like options, I normally do for 1 day to 3 days time.
All right. And you are an option buyer or you do selling also in options?
No, I never sell the option. I am always an option buyer.
Okay, very good. Now, the most important thing, how do you prepare yourself prior to the market? Because generally what I have seen is many traders, unfortunately, they just sit on the screen at 9:15 a.m. Without any thought process in their heads, and they have no idea what to do today. They just switch on the TV and start seeing all the scripts which have been displayed on the screen. So how do you prepare yourself before the market? Because in the workshop and also in the mentorship sessions, we always discuss together that if we prepare ourselves enough before the market, then out of those huge number of stocks, we just need to concentrate on few of them where a probable trade is going to be there. Correct?
This is one of the best thing I have learned from this particular course, because like how to prepare yourself before trading or before going for the trade.
Correct.
It's like whenever market ends, immediately by that evening, I have a list of 25 or 30 scripts which I go on working. I look for the charts for those scripts. I prepare a watch list. Again, I finalize those 8 to 10 scripts which are final, which are like coming into my indicators, which I have to look for the watch list. And then I go back again for those 10 or 8 scripts, and then again I look at that whether I have prepared a proper watch list or not.
All right.
After that, I put alerts on the chart for the next day. That if there is some alerts which there is some target which where I have to look for those scripts, so that I will not miss any of those scripts for the next day also. And in the previous evening also, I look for the meditation. That is also helping me a lot. That before going for the sleep, I go for the meditation. Next day morning again, I look for the my yoga and meditation, and I do meditation before the market starts. And then I prepare myself, and it gives a lot of confidence when I start my trading activities.
Correct. Now, this is, I think, one of the most important points what Kalpesh bhai has shared with all of us, which we need to understand is, number one, we need to work. What I always say to my students, and what I have learned in my 13 years of experience, and what my mentor has taught me, that when you are into trading, the time from 9 a.m. or 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. is not the time when you do the maximum amount of work. That is the time when you should be very calm and cool, and you should be only looking at executing the plan, executing the trades which you have decided, possibly in the early morning of that day, or possibly previous day in the late evening or late night, whatever is your suitable timing. And most important thing is, if you do not do the trading homework, what happens is there are so many stocks, and you know, when prices are moving up and down, suddenly what happens, say there is some sort of news coming up and the index or a particular stock starts moving up very fast, and you were just about to take the trade, and you are just analyzing, but before doing proper analysis, the stock price jumps, and what you feel? FOMO, fear of missing out, and you punch the button, you buy the stock, and what happens? The stock starts coming down. Why? Because possibly the stock has just bounced because of a certain news, but when you analyzed it on the chart, it was never a probable buy trade in your trading system, because generally all of my trading systems are designed in a manner, especially the shorter term trading systems are designed in a manner that if you are going to have trade in option or a future or even cash market for short term, you will have an idea at least 2 to 3 days prior to that. So you're mentally prepared that you're going to buy this stock. Then just in those market hours, you just wait for that signal to come up. And I think this has helped you also, Kalpesh bhai, I guess.
Yes,
By
yes, definitely, definitely.
good, good,
Like today now, I feel that before the market starts, I'm prepared for the market.
very
So
good,
that is how I'm trying to learn things.
very good, very good. Are you still using the vision board which we had discussed when we completed the workshop or not?
Yes, yes, I'm keeping my vision board even in my office as well as in my
Okay,
home also.
nice, very
So
nice.
I'm following that every day. I look at my vision board and
All
I'm
right.
trying to learn from that.
Okay, okay. So this is also one of the most important points, my friends. What Kalpesh bhai has shared is a very important nugget over here. That many of the people who come to me to learn trading and do the workshop, they're extremely enthusiastic at that point of time that I'm going to learn something new or trading karunga, paisa kamaunga. All that sort of thoughts are going in your mind, because at that point of time what happens is you are possibly free from other things, but you know how life is, and as soon as we start becoming busy in our lives with family issues or with our work issues, which are obviously important, you cannot ignore them, and due to all these pressures what happens, we start possibly delaying the progress in trading. So when we have a chart in front of us, just like we have a price chart, we have the vision board in front of us. What is my vision? How much amount of money I want to make in my trading account for next 1 year? Then you will always be motivated and you will always strive to achieve more and more success in your career. Now, apart from the trading systems which I shared with you in the workshop, Kalpesh bhai, how did the mentorship group help you? And how did the mentorship sessions help you? Can you share this with my
Yes.
viewers?
Uh, when I joined this course, like once you said the trading
Hmm.
system, I was like, this is more than enough. This will be sufficient for my knowledge and my trading. But then as soon as I come closer to all the activities, I found that it is just a beginning of the any particular
It's a
trading
type.
activities, type
Correct.
of the activities.
Yeah.
Then your community, which your various peers who share their knowledge. Then the very important is the mentorship session.
Correct.
Mentorship session boosts a lot of confidence on us. You solve a lot of queries, whatever the initial days, the charts and how the particular scripts are not working in my favor. And then
Okay.
you always share a very important principle is that Bhav Bhagwan hai. So
Correct.
everything is reflected in prices. This is the
Correct.
concept I never knew before joining this course. And your
Correct.
mentorship session, you solve all the queries, which really helps, and which
Correct.
is always you share more than the technical aspects of the particular scripts. So
Correct.
it always helps for all of
Correct.
us.
Correct. So my friends, what Kalpesh bhai is trying to share with us is that only doing a workshop, if someone is thinking that once I do the workshop, immediately from, generally my workshops are on weekends, and now my workshop are of 2 days. So after completing the workshop, you will be free, and from Monday onwards, you'll be start making money. I don't think that is how it works. Doing the workshop, my friends, is the tip of the iceberg. All right. It is the tip of the iceberg. And what you need to do more is you have to be involved in the group, because what happens in the group is more important. Now, when Kalpesh bhai joined my workshop and he joined my trading community, he was very, very new that time. Now, after doing a particular workshop, you spend 3 months, 4 months in the group, and you will be able to talk and interact with people who are like-minded and who have exactly the same trading setup which you have been given by me. So what will happen if a person is writing that Reliance is looking like a buy or SBI is looking like a sell? What will happen over here is immediately you will be able to open the charts and you will understand why Mr. A is saying so. Otherwise, without this proper knowledge, what will happen is someone will share some information with you and say that Reliance लेने जैसा लगता है, and you just go and press the button and then you don't know if the stock starts coming down. You're helpless. So this is very important. Second point is mentorship sessions. What I generally do is that I meet all of my students twice in a month, possibly on a Thursday or a Friday at night time, 9 to 10:30 sometime. And in the first 10-15 minutes, what I do is I do live analysis of all the important sectors. If I have something to share with 2-3 stocks, I share even that. And then we have a Q&A session of nearly 1 hour, 15 minutes, where all of my students can ask me all sorts of different questions. Now, these questions can start from risk management, mind management. If you have any doubts regarding the trading system, if you have just done the workshop and you have possibly 2-3 doubts left, you can even ask that. So this is very, very helpful, because what will happen is, when after doing the workshop, when you'll be in constantly touch with me, you will be always motivated and you will always strive to achieve even more further. Now, Kalpesh bhai, I think 6 months back also I was interacting with you. I think you are also motivating your son to join trading, if I'm not wrong, correct?
Yeah. My son is also he's just 21, and but
Okay,
he's still studying. But then he is also very much involved, and he knows a lot of indicators, and he works away whenever he's free. Also,
nice,
he works on these charts also.
nice,
And
nice.
for mentorship, Vishal bhai, I must say that I always enjoy your mentorship session. I have learned
Thank
a lot
you.
of things, and almost I have attended most of the mentorship sessions, except
Yes,
one of the sessions where I was
correct.
traveling and I could not get the my network and everything. But otherwise, most of the mentorship sessions I've attended all this.
Correct. That is why you have been able to achieve the returns, because you have, it's not that someone is super intelligent than other people, but it is like you have worked even after doing the workshop, and that is why those fruits are now showing. Correct. Now, there was a patch in, I think, 15-20 days back or 1 month back. Kalpesh bhai had made some profits in options trading. He lost a bit of that, and then your confidence starts shaking, that what is happening. He didn't lost all his capital, but suppose I think he lost 30 or 25%, somewhere around that, of his profits which he had made. He was still in profit, but he lost a bit of that. And then he called me along with his friend. We had a con call of around 30-40 minutes. So how did it help that time?
Vishal bhai, I still remember that in the month of June, July, where like it was easy cake week kind of thing, where whatever
Yes,
the stocks we selected, we used to get the positive result out of it.
yes,
It was
yes.
like post 15th August, there were all the trades which were not going, which were going against us. Like it was like
Correct.
we thought, okay, we are making any mistake on this, or what is happening? Like till I think somewhere 15th August to probably 13, 14 trading sessions, like we were making losses, so small losses,
Correct.
but still it was not going in our favor. So
Correct.
me and my friend decided that whether we are making any mistakes or there is something wrong in us. So immediately we tried and we thought, okay, to talk to you. And
Correct.
you gave us that this is just a general thing. It happens with everyone. Then you explained in detail. And
Yes.
after probably I also said my trades for post 30th September. And then almost our trades are in our favor. So this is
Correct.
how we have passed through all this journey.
Correct. Correct. So my friends, you need to understand what Kalpesh bhai is saying, that he had a patch where he made a lot of money, because generally, I think May onwards, May, June, July, August, all these times it was very easy money making process, at least for my trading system. And then what happened was, later on after 15th August or something, as Kalpesh bhai shared with us, little bit range bound movement started in market. And when range bound movement start in market, it's not very easy to make money. So that is the point of time when your confidence starts shaking. And he did have a talk with me. So what we need to understand that time is, if you remember just little bit before, Kalpesh bhai told us that he's meditating. He's doing some action on the mind management part. If you're doing that exercise daily, which I tell you to do, all right, and when this time comes, it will be very easy for you to face the situation, to accept the reality that yes, this happens not just with me, with everyone. You accept it, you are aware of it, because meditation is nothing but to be aware of what is happening with you in reality. And then you move on again, you recover your small losses which you have made. They are very small, but they just hit you mentally. So once you cover that time, you again hit new equity high, which Kalpesh bhai did eventually with time. All right. Now, how do you feel, Kalpesh bhai? Can anyone become a professional trader, a full-time trader, if he really wants to be? What is
Yes,
your comment on
definitely.
that?
Definitely, if somebody works hard on the various aspects which is learned over here,
Correct.
like somebody can be a pro trader, and it will definitely transform someone from just investor, a layman, to a pro trader.
Correct.
Definitely, it will
Correct. Correct.
definitely work.
Correct.
But
Correct.
yes, I have learned many principles from these training sessions, like ek to bhav bhagwan hai, everything is reflected in prices. So now I avoid all the noises which are like coming out. I avoid all the tips which is freely available in the market. So
Very
I
good.
have my own research, and I have my own setups which gives all the information about particular scripts. So that also I avoid. Now I also learned that market is always right. So if I have made some mistake, it is my mistake. Market is always right. So that is
Correct.
also I've learned, and I feel that I'm really improving myself after joining this course.
Very good. Very good. I'm really proud to have a student like you, Kalpesh Bhai, and I
Exactly.
wish you all the best. And I hope next time when we meet, you probably show even a higher figure of profits and try
Definitely.
to motivate other traders in the community.
Definitely. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm
Thank
learning
you.
a lot. I'm reading a lot of books. I'm watching
Very
videos.
good. Very
I'm
good.
watching all your videos repeatedly, also not once, but then I also try to analyze my, like today you have said one more indicator on iron.
Our own indicator.
And yes, and that is also I will watch twice or thrice since yesterday evening.
Correct.
So I'm working definitely on all your suggestions and whatever being said. So
All right.
trying to learn a lot of things.
All right. All right. All right. So good luck ahead for your
Thank
trading
you, sir.
career. And thank you, viewers. Thank you, Kalpesh Bhai.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.